So you might be trying to figure out how you can use AirPlay on your iPhone. Now, luckily for you, this is a pretty basic process and it really doesn't take too much time. So the very first thing you want to go ahead and make sure is you want to make sure that your phone is compatible with AirPlay and you have some AirPlay device around you. Now you can use AirPlay or SharePlay, whether you want to share audio or you want to actually AirPlay a video. So in this case, if you wanted to go ahead and play some sort of a random video, right? So in this case, I have this TikTok I made a long time ago. Well, what I can do is I can just go ahead and boot up that specific video or photo on my specific iPhone, and you want to find that share button. So at the bottom, I'll have a share button right here, and all you want to do is go and click share, and you will already see an AirPlay button right here. So you won't even have to scroll down, but in case you do, if you have a smaller iPhone, click on AirPlay, and when you do that, you will see a list of compatible devices that come up under your AirPlay panel. Now the issue with this is that sometimes if you don't see any panels or anything that's around you, as you can see there's nothing around me, well the reason why this is the case is mostly because there's no TV around me right now. I don't have a Mac on right now either. So make sure those things are on, make sure those things are discoverable, and then you'll basically be able to click on those specific TVs, Macs, Apple TVs, whatever you have, and you'll be able to share play whatever you're looking at now onto those devices. So that's a pretty cool thing, it's pretty basic. Now you can also use SharePlay, which is just like if you're playing a song. So if you're playing a song from like Apple Music or something, if you swipe down from the bottom right here, if you go and click on your now playing song up here, if you click on that little AirPlay SharePlay icon right here, you can click on it and you'll be able to find some other devices that are around you. And then you can go and click on it, whether it's a HomePod, whether it's again an Apple TV, something like that. You'll be able to go through and do that, which is pretty cool. And that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.